Hey guys, Josh from Voltaic here. So today we've got a 200 Series Sahara in the workshop, and we've wired up a light bar on the roof rack, on the Pioneer roof rack system. We get a lot of questions of how to actually get the wires to the roof, and I just wanted to show you how we do it. We think this is the best way. We see a lot of dodgy installs with non-insulated wire running up the window frame or through the snorkel. I'll put some videos down, link to this, or some photos, and I'll show you how we like to do it. So we'll just come around the back here. So the best way we think is running up through the back of the car. So we'll just have a look here. And so what we've done is notch this little section out here of this plastic trim, and that enables us, this little notch here enables us to get this cable out up the inside of the boot. And we use a 10mm PVC tubing, and that way it's flexible. And we found if we use a hard conduit, it's a very small gap up the top here. You'll see when we close. 2 secs. You can see it doesn't touch with the PVC tubing. Along with that, we'd like to mount the harness. I'll try and get a view of the harness up on the inside. You can see we've put hard mount conduit clips and convoluted tubing, sealed convoluted tubing, heat shrinked either end, and then also used the Toyota factory LED switch there. Another thing we like to do, which I'll quickly come around and show you guys, there it's on just there. So you do get a little bit of extra volt drop with the extra length of cable. So we like to test how many amps it's drawing. So we use our inline amps tester here to test the exact load on the circuit afterwards. We estimated at about 8 amps, and yeah, this is 7 amps right there. So we use a 5mm cable just to and allow for the extra volt drop over that distance. So that's it, guys. That's the LED light bar, the best way to get the cables to the roof. Alright guys, if you like this video, click the link below, subscribe if you want to know more about auto electrics. Contact us here at Voltaic. Have a good day. Awesome.